Uploading videos manually to YouTube? Again and again? What if you could automate the whole process? Select videos from Excel, autofill the title, description, tags, and publish them automatically while you sip coffee? In this video, I'll show you how to automate YouTube uploads using Python, Playwright, and a simple Excel file without touching the YouTube API. Here is what we will build. We'll maintain video upload details in an Excel file. Our Python script will read the Excel sheet. It will open YouTube Studio automatically using a real browser. It will upload the videos, fill in all the details, and schedule or publish them. Finally, it will update the Excel sheet with YouTube links and statuses. No APIs, no quotas, no headaches. Here is a quick demo of the uploaded in action. The brain of our automation is a simple Excel file. Here's what it contains. Video_path, where the video file is stored on your computer, YouTube_title. The title you want for the video, YouTube_description. The description you want. YouTube_tags. A comma-separated list of tags. YouTube_channel_name. Which channel you want to upload to YouTube_playlist_name. Optional. The playlist to add video into made_for_kids. True or false. Schedule_date. If you want to schedule it for a later date, YouTube_upload_status. The script updates this field automatically last_update_date. Timestamp when upload was attempted. Every video is one row. This makes it super easy to manage even 10, 20, or 100 videos. We'll use two main Python libraries. Playwright, to control a real web browser, just like a human would. Openpyxl, to read and write Excel files. Installing them is simple. Playwright downloads Chromium and drivers automatically. You don't need to set anything else manually. Now let's break down the script, piece by piece. Don't worry if you're new to Python. I'll explain every step. This part opens the Excel file and reads each video's information into a list. It also skips empty rows so that our script doesn't crash on blank data. We check if the Excel file is open elsewhere. If it's locked, we stop the script with a friendly message instead of crashing. This opens a real Chrome browser using your existing Chrome profile, which means you're already logged into YouTube and you don't need to log in again. If you have multiple YouTube channels under the same login, this function will switch to the correct one automatically. Here we automate uploading the file, setting the video title, description, and tags. It's exactly like what a human would do, just a lot faster. Sometimes YouTube needs time to process your video before you can click Next. This small function waits patiently until the Next button becomes clickable. If you provide a future date, the script will schedule your video to go live automatically. Otherwise, it will publish immediately. After every upload attempt, the Excel file is updated with either the YouTube video URL or an error message. That's how you can automate YouTube uploads using Python, Playwright, and Excel. No API keys, no rate limits, just pure browser automation. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to TechPoint for more automation hacks, and comment below if you want to see advanced features like automatic retries, GUI versions, or email notifications after upload. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.